Greeting. This is Mark Rooney. We're going to be looking at MS Word formatting. MS Word stands for Microsoft, right? We're going to look and see how we can actually format some stuff here, right? If you notice here, we have MS Word formatting. This is what we're actually focused on, right? Where it says open my blank Word document right here. It says save it as my Word. Notice it must type equal RAND bracket plus enter. Then say type in the header following words all about computer. Type in today's date and write created by Mark in the footer. Alright, job cap all the first letter in each paragraph. Right? So put a paragraph right around paragraph 3. Alright, and if you notice it's here the watermark to the document is the insert a photo and put it in the middle of paragraph 4. Right, and you say insert a piece border to the document. Change the line spacing to 1.5. Heading size must be 20 and the color must be blue. Right, you say insert a signature line to the page and then save it, right? So first you're going to kickstart, right? By opening blank Word document, right? So first you want to go to the taskbar and here we go. Microsoft Word opening, right? Just like that. Step 1. So we actually open the document, right? So the second thing we wanted to do is to save it as my work, right? So I'm going to save it as my work. In order for me to save it, I'm going to come right here to the Word file. Click on the Word file. Now we come this blue ribbon here. We click on the Word save as. Then computer. You might not see it on your computer, but if it's a PC, you click it, right? And this is the desktop. So now click on the desktop right here, right? And look, a window will come up right here, right? It's over here. So now you actually click on the desktop. On the desktop, you want to save. So here is a name. File name. We're going to click there. We're going to type my work. Right. When you finish with that, you come all the way here. What is here to save? You click on save. Right. And I come right back on here now. Right. So we definitely will look and open the document already. Save it. So what we're going to type now, we're going to type equal RAND. Right. And notice you have the bracket with 6 and the comma. So we're going to do all of that. And then we're done, we're going to press enter. Right. So if you notice, we're going to equal RAND. Then we're going to put a bracket. We're going to put 6. We're going to put comma. The bracket. A 6 and then the bracket. And then this we must press enter. We'll press enter. This is what we get. Paragraph. Right? So this is some code, right? So now we complete that now. The next step is to type in the header, the following words, which is all about computer. Right? So in order for me to do that, I have to come all the way here. So they say insert. You click on that, right? And then you bring up the ribbon. Right? Search in the ribbon, this is the right header. You click right there, look find that here, right? And then several street of header coming, but I'm going to choose the first one right here. Notice you bring up where we can type, right? So I don't have it click if I click off the backspaces. So I could highlight, let me type all. Notice it move about, right? Right. So now I have that now complete. So I want to close it. I want to come right here, say close it and put it right here. Right. So let me see exactly what it looks like. Alright. There you go. So we wanna look at the next step where we are now. Alright, it says in the footer type today's date and then we type created by, right. So we're gonna jump into that. So what you want to do, go right back to the word insert. When you click on the word insert, you're going to go all the way to your right. You notice? Right on the head and footer. So you're going to click your footer pointer. Right? So if you notice, I'm going to click this one. Notice down here, see open. So what I want to type today's date. So today it is 17 and 1 2021. Then we're going to press enter. Then we're going to create it. Yes, create it. Right, by me say mark. Let me do that. Alright, now we'll finish that. These two. Now notice right up here. Right, we can actually click here to close it. So now you have any footer. We're going to go back and see exactly where we have next. Alright, you notice you just finish footer right now. So this is a recap all the first letter in all the paragraphs. Alright, so I'm going to click. Right, the first thing I wanted to do now at the top is to black the first letter, which is the V. When I do that, I come all the way and click on the insert tab. And then there comes the ribbon. So I'm going to go all the way here, and this is a job cap. So I'm going to click right here and look up pointer. Then I'm going to click here. Notice, as soon as I click it, you notice the job cap. So I'm going to do that for all the first letter here. Right, all the first letter. Right, things coming on now. So you have to take your time. Now I have to do this because sometimes this can be very ticklish in terms of blocking. You have to take your time. This is what actually give you a good balance on your fingers to see exactly what to do. Right, you notice I have two to go. Right, so I have to take my little time in order for me to get accurate stuff right here. Right, now that two, let me unback that. Get it on one. Right. So now we finish that now. So we look at the ensure, right? All of is set. So let us look and see exactly what we have left. Right? So it's a put a border around paragraph 3. Right? So put a border around paragraph 3. Right, let me see how best we can do that. Right, this is paragraph 1 and this is paragraph 2 and this is paragraph 3. This is where we want the border around. But the first thing you want to do, hold on the left side of the mouse at touchpad, and then you want to block everything like that. Block everything. Right? I want to block everything. You're going to come up and click on the word home. When you click on home tab, it brings up a ribbon. Then you're going to look right under the word paragraph. Right here on the paragraph. Then this little window here, you're going to click on the pointer. You're going to look at the all border here and outside border. Right? And the all border and outside border. Then you click on it. Alright, there you go. There you have a paragraph border right here. Alright. So now finish with that paragraph border. Alright, it says add a watermark to the document. Alright. Now I'm going to add a watermark to the document. I'm going to do that now. I want to come up here, the insert tab. I want to click on insert tab. I'm going, no, not insert tab, design tab. And then I'm going to go all the way to my far right. You notice the watermark? So I'm going to click and look a pointer here. You notice? You know, when I get passport picture, you might see confidential or don't copy or whatever. Or what you want to look on is the custom watermark here. When I click on it, to bring up a small window. Right? So I'm just waiting on the window to respond to show you exactly. Right. So notice, and this window is dark. So right here, you say text watermark. I'm going to click in that box, highlight it, and everything come up. So we're going to look at all of this layout that is there. We're going to look at text, we're going to look at font, we're going to look at size, we're going to look at color and layout. Right. So first we're going to click into text. Alright, you're going to backspace what you need. Alright, I'm going to write something. Alright. I'm going to write something. Yes. So I write that. Now in the text, now the font. I'm going to look at the font. So you can come right there. Look a pointer right here. Just hit the font. Nice font. Then you want to look at size. So on this little pointer here, we're going to come right here and we're going to increase the point about 105. Now we want to look at the color. I want to get the color. We'll come right there to the pointer here line. Then you click it. Then notice this little box come up. Right, to give it a red color like that. Right, you notice we have cancel, we have OK, or say apply. First one, click on apply to see exactly how it look like. Alright. You know, so here, so how it look like. Right, so far. So like I was satisfied with this right here, gonna close right here. Right, and this is how it looks like. This is what they call watermark. This is a custom one. Right. So now we complete that custom one watermark. It's to insert a photo and put it in the middle of paragraph 4. Right. So let's see exactly what is that. But let's go to paragraph 4 so far. So this is paragraph 4. So first thing you want to do, insert. Right. You have two options. You have the picture. Here you can actually get directly from our desktop, or you can click here to go online. But I'm going to try the online one. Right. To get a picture, then this little box come up now. So if you have a OneDrive account and you see a file which you can actually get photo from it, or Bling, which I'm going to search. Right, I'm going to type in the word monkey right here, and then I'm going to press enter. So I'm going to search, right? So as soon as picture come, then right, I'm going to scroll right down. I scroll and I can have it, then that I can actually view. Right, you notice I can actually view. Right, there are more options there. Yes, if you notice, different types. Right here, different types. Right, and this is from my view. Viewing so far, we have different size, type, and all of that. Just this here. You notice. Alright. So I'm also now go back up a little. Right, and then I'm gonna choose one. Right, which I'm going to choose this one. Alright, so notice as soon as I click on it, you notice you already insert highlight. So I'm going to click on it. So you're going to jump on the page. Alright, you notice how big it be? Outer line from out of the paragraph. Don't worry. In other words, to get it intact, we have to wrap text. Two ways you can wrap text. You can right click on the photo and this is your wrap text, right? But what you want to focus on is your type, right? And if not, you can come right up here in the ribbon here and just click right at the pointer here, type. When you click on the word type, that's how you fit it in. Alright, so what I want to do is take the time and move it. Alright, you can come right here, so you notice the four corner. I'm going to go back so you can put right there, hold on the left side of the mouse and slide it down like that. Alright, let me see paragraph 4. Alright, that will be 1, 2, 3. Alright, actually position in paragraph 4 so far. Alright, you notice it's actually in the middle. Alright, as soon as I click on this, if you notice up here, some different style, to formatting, but if I click right here, I set more. Notice each time I put cursor on it, you notice it's a bar that come around the photo. It's a different bar that come around the photo. If I put it there, that's how it look like, that's how it look like. Come on there. Alright, I'm going to leave this one here. I give a little size, alright. So notice, alright, we actually have it inside already. Alright, so finish that one. So we're going to insert a page border to the document, right? Right, that's what we're going to do that. We're going to click on the word design right here. Then you go to the far right, right, and this is the word page bar. You click on it, right, bring up this little small dialog box. But this is safe now. It's an example like the preview. So if I click on this, it will show exactly how it look right here. Right, I can scroll along this here, click right here. You know this mobile down here. I can actually move the size from there, so right, I can actually put it to that. Right, but if I want pretty or more exciting border, I come here to the word heart and none, and I click right here. And notice it bring up pretty border, and right here I can actually scroll down like that. Scroll, and if I choose this border, come up here, and if I don't like it, I'll go back here. So, and then I keep on scrolling, right, and I keep scrolling, and look, and keep scrolling. If you see a border like this, this one that interests you, come like that. And if you don't want it too thick, you can always come right here, so, and decrease it, right, just like that, right. Good. And notice the preview auto look. You're going to click on word OK. Alright, and notice right around the document. If I go open it a little, you notice on the top still, you notice the bottom still. Very important. Alright. After finish with that now, then we're looking at it. Right. It said change line spacing to 1.5. Right. So we're going to change it spacing to 1.5. So in order for me to do that, right, I have to block everything. In order for me to block everything now, there's a way I can actually do. I can click on up here, insert, put here, I can come all the way to the far right. You notice this is the right select. If I click on the pointer right here, it says select all. If I select all, you notice it block everything. Alright, so we're looking at the line space for 1.5. Now I'm in home. Here, right, to come all the way here with the paragraph. I want to focus on the line space. So this is what we're actually going to look at. When you click on the little pointer, notice it's a 1.5. Right, so click on 1.5 there, and there you go right there. And notice, right, there's a difference between the paragraph and kind of a little bit whitish, right? So now we complete that paragraph on line space 1.5, right? So heading size must be 20 and color is blue, right? So let's go back again now, right? So this is the heading size, which is in this, right? So we're going to double click, right? And then we're going to block it for the kind of little bit cover it, right? First, let me see if we can size on the border a little. Let's go back to design, right? Click here back on the border, right? We decrease it some more, right? 19, 13 some more. It has a bit smaller. Yes. But you can select that stuff. Right. So we're going to click on OK now. Alright, you notice we have a better access in terms of seeing this. Right, so we're going to focus on it and double click. Right, now come up now, we're going to block this. Right, we're going to block it. Go back again. Right. Take the time. Alright, so now block this now. We're going to 20. We're going to click right here on home. Alright, we're going to click. We're going to come all the way here. We're going to put it at 20. Now when you put it at 20 now, the color is blue. Alright, so we're going to come right here and a font. Click right at this big A right here. Then we're going to put this is the color. Alright, and then you can come really like just double click what is it and close it. Just like that. Alright. So now we finish complete that now. What we wanted to do now is insert a signature line to the page. Alright. How we're going to do that now? Alright, the first thing we want to do is to come up here to the insert tab, or we're going to click on the insert tab. Alright, we're going to go all the way to the far right. Now it's over here, it's the insert signature line. When you click on this pointer, it's the Microsoft Office signature line, it's the add signature line. But when we want to focus on this Microsoft signature, right? So when you click on it, the window going to show up. So now this particular window show up. So this will now show up that I'm going to type my name there. Right. Then I put up my name here. Then down here, I just not going to show my title. Right. So show the title. Right. Here and here now, I put in an email. Right. So I'm going to bypass that one for now, and then I'm going to click right here. But if you notice, it's jump all the way up here, but I want it at the bottom of the page. But in order for me to get to the bottom of the page, right, the first thing I want to do is to click on it. You notice I click on it and I highlight. Then immediately up here, so format. When you click on format, then this in the middle right here, and arrange is the word position. So when I click on pointer position, I see all the various here. So if I click this here and it's in the middle, if I click this, it's going to be at the top. If I click this, down in the middle, right, you're going to go to the right. If I click right, you're going to go in the middle, right? If I click right, you're going to go to the bottom to the right, but I want it to the bottom and the left, which is this one. So when I click on that one, right, Let me scroll along and see exactly what's taking place. Alright, you notice. Alright, since it's done too. Alright, you notice it right down here. Alright, so good. And notice signature line, notice name and XYZ. So very important. Alright. So let us look at the next one now. The last phase now, that's it. So save it. Right. So another power to save it now. Just come right a little icon here. I'll just click. That's it, and that's it. Hope you have learned something from this lesson so far. Alright, so enjoy.